Evaluate the given integral over region in first quadrant bounded by lines y equals x, y equals 0, x equals 8, and xy equals 16. Let's find the region of integration first. Y equal to 0 line, y equal to x line, x equal to 8 line, xy equal to 16 curve. Show points of intersection. This is required region in first quadrant. Now points of intersection. There are 2 points of intersection. Find coordinates of both B and C. For point B, solve equations. Y equals x and xy equals 16. Substituting y equals x in second equation, we get x squared equal to 16. Then taking square root, we get x equals 4. As y equals x, y is also 4. Thus, point B is 4, 4. For point C, solve equations. X equals 8 and xy equals 16. Substituting x equals 8 in second equation, we get y equal to 16 by 8. So y equals 2. Thus, point C is 8, 2. Next, decide limits of integration. Divide the region in 2 parts, A1 and A2. For A1, lower limit is y equals 0, and upper limit is y equals x. And for A2, lower limit is y equals 0, and upper limit is xy equals 16. X limits for A1 are 0 to 4, and for A2 are 4 to 8. Thus, limits for A1 are y equals 0, y equals x, x equals 0, x equals 4. And for A2, limits are y equals 0, y equals 16 by x, x equals 4, x equals 8. Now let's solve the integral using above limits for 2 separate parts. I will integrate with respect to y first, then with respect to x. You can do it other way also, but limits will be changed. Equal to integration x squared dy dx, y limits from 0 to x, and x limits from 0 to 4. Plus second part integration x squared dy dx, y limits from 0 to 16 by x, and x limits from 4 to 8. X squared is constant. Integration dy is y limits 0 to x dx. Same for the second part, but y limits are 0 to 16 by x. Now substituting limits in place of y, we get x squared into x minus 0, which is x. Plus for second part x squared into 16 by x, minus 0, which is 16 by x. So we get integration 0 to 4x cubed dx, plus integration 4 to 816x dx. Now for both terms applying integration, x raised to n formula, we get x raised to 4, divided by 4. Limits from 0 to 4, for second part it is 16 into x squared by 2. Limits from 4 to 8. Substituting limits in place of x, we get 4 power 4 divided by 4, lower limit is 0, plus. After simplifying, 8 into 8 squared, 64 minus 4 squared, 16. Simplify this 4 power 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 cubed, 64 plus 8 into 48. Equal to 64 plus 384. Thus answer to given integral is 448.